33-yard punt sets up the first one. Brandon Banks on a long punt return sets up the second. Good protection in the pocket. The ability for Rex Grossman to step up, have a clear line of sight to Jabbar Gaffney, but it's a double